Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you a very secured settings that you can set in your Google Chrome that will completely protect your computer from any virus or infection. Okay, let's start. First is you need to open your Google Chrome. Once you do that, you need to go for the upper right side of your screen and then select the three dots here to see more and then simply scroll down to find settings. Okay, click settings. After you open or once you open your settings, go for or go to the left side of your screen and then select privacy and security. Here under the privacy and security, you can do a safety check, okay? So let's start. First is you need to go for third-party cookies. Here you need to make sure that either the two of this is on. This will block third-party cookies in your computer. Okay? So once done, you need to go for add privacy and go to add topics and make sure that this is on because this will protect your identity when sites show you personalized ads. Okay? After that, you need to proceed to security. Click that. And here, under the safe browsing, you need to make sure that either the two of this is on, either enhanced or standard protection, because this will protect you against dangerous websites, downloads, and extensions. Okay? And might as well the Google products or the other Google products won't be affected. Okay? So after that, go for site settings and then here under the permissions, go for location and make sure that the default behavior is collapse and wanted request. Okay? So next is you need to scroll down and then go for pop-ups and redirects. Here, you need to make sure again that the default behavior is don't allow sites to send pop-ups or use redirects. Okay? So once you did all of those or once you set all of those, now you're good to go. Now you're safe from any viruses or infections. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button and might as well share this video. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day everyone.